Find or read reviews that people are talking about. JAMTON 200W 12V 20-tone emergency siren PA system. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Simple operation. PTT function, push to talk. The wireless integrated handheld remote control and microphone has a maximum control range of 10 meters and can be controlled from outside the vehicle. Powerful performance. Speaker produces 125 to 135 decibels, 400 to 4000 Hz. Applicability. Suitable for all kinds of alarms and emergencies for police cars, ambulances, fire trucks, construction vehicles, pickup trucks, and more. High quality. Comes with mounting bracket. Heavy-duty black material with IP66 waterproof rating for longer life. Extra convenience. 2 additional 10 amp power switches, A/B, to power traffic emergency warning lights or other applicable equipment. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.